Hello, and welcome to Light Switch, made by 2D Pie. Yeah, okay. Very loud. Okay. Like how you can hear the stop in the rain and the music. It's kind of funny. Introduction. You are 12 years old. You live in California, USA. Your mom is usually at work, so you're most of the time home alone. What about school? It is the 9th of November, and outside it is raining. You are home alone again. It is almost 10 p.m. Press space to start. Okay. Can I burn myself? Shame. I got used to being home alone, but I'm starting to feel like some kind of presence. Feel some kind of presence that is weird. The footsteps are so loud. Oh. What? Oh. I don't see why I need produce in my dresser. Okay. Shut phone. It's so loud. Okay. Answer the phone. Where? Is it in here? Is that a phone? Mom is acting just because work. She always works. She should take a break. Yeah, that's what I think too. It's where's the phone? Is it there? Is that a phone? I don't know. What does the phone look like? Oh, it's this. What was that? Hey, please go to sleep. Don't forget to turn off all the lights. Love you. Bye. I don't want. I should listen to my mom. I'm gonna close the doors behind me. This is a big kitchen. Okay. I don't like this. Oh, that's the same. So weird. There were 3 carrots in the fridge just a few hours ago. My mom left in the morning. How did 1 carrot disappear? I'm not staying around to find out. So, you have fun with that. With your missing carrot. So, I have a fireplace in my bedroom. Nothing strange about that. Bathroom? Looks like we're almost out of soap. Why does that matter? What? I love playing video games on my computer, even if I suck at them. I agree. Ooh. What's that? I can't crouch. Look in that zoom. I found your missing carrots, and they seem to have multiplied. Nope, I just turned off that light. I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, come on. What time is it now? Call in the middle of the night? What do you expect, sir? I'll say the same thing. Can't sleep. So I'm gonna guess that that thing just... Is the produce still in there? That's a... Is that a blueberry? That thing is giant. touch that door. I think I only turned the light switch. Okay. It's really more of a button, not a... Ow. Not a switch. He is here. Okay. Yeah, thought so. It's just gonna say, who's he? I want this. Turn off lights and go back to sleep. What is happening? Who is here? We should... Well, I wasn't looking the right way for that jump scare, but okay. Don't have the... How are the lights on? Should I investigate? Just go back to sleep. I want to go back to sleep. Okay? I'm probably dead, aren't I? Cthulhu? The creature killed you while you were sleeping. Maybe you shouldn't have went back to sleep. Ending 1 out of 3. Press space to return to menu. I am a genius. And the sounds went back up. Okay. Cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is gonna be fun. I didn't explore everything, did I? The kitchen. Hello? Posted notes on the fridge. Oh, ow. Crap. Carrot. Freezer. Food. Should I start turning off the lights? Where's the dryer? What was that? Ah, dang it. Fine, I'll answer the phone. Dang it, I can't go outside. Hey, please go to sleep. Don't forget to turn off all the lights. Love you. Bye. Yeah, I know, Mom. Also, who's working at 10 o'clock at night and just leaves their stupid kid at home? I do not like the echoes, to say the least. I mean, it really does feel like this is an empty house. Oh boy. Okay. Note to self. Don't go back to sleep. Okay, yeah. He is here. Yeah, the fat Cthulhu man is here. I get it. Also, how did he get into my bedroom? I wonder if I can go to bed without all the lights turned off. Oh, would that be the same ending? Probably. Oh, there's no tablet there. Oh, there's a tablet over here. I think I should just sleep. I'm thinking things. You already saw. Don't do that to me. I want to start downstairs and then come up here. Mom is sleeping there. I don't want to wake her up. She's really tired. Well, I just got killed. Cliche. What was he doing in the bathroom? There's nothing. I am a sink. Where's the light to this? Yes, but of course. This is a nice place. And the carrots are gone. Let's go downstairs. Smart idea. I really gotta stop opening the doors onto myself. Oh. Okay. Insightful. Hello? Okay. Prick. Phone again? Yes. Yes, the phone. What? Upstairs. Yeah, I thought so. Let me guess. All the lights are off now. Cliche. What is happening? I should leave the house and run. Okay. Am I calling the police? Sorry, I just heard. I just read. I should leave the house. And immediately left. You ran to your neighbor's house. You called the police and they came to investigate your house. They found your mom in her bedroom and no one was there. The good ending. Ending 2 out of 3. Press space to return to menu. Fine. Okay. I'll cut to... You know what? No, you have to suffer with me. Speedrun this. Just kidding. Zoom. Right after I said that, I was gonna try to stop doing that. Immediately gets hit by the door. Yes, okay. Thump, thump, thump. Thumpty, thump, thump, thump. Shut up. Can I watch some TV? I'm just waiting for the phone to ring. Why is there no echo over here? But there is over here. Again, I really feel tempted to burn myself. To just jump into the fire and just get roasted alive. Yes, yes, I know. Then... no. Okay. And the phone. He is here. He sure is. And then turn off light. Hello. Why did he have a Thanos gauntlet? I'm just saying. after my mom got home, I should probably text her that I'm trying to record a video. Ma'am, downstairs and recording video. And do not disturb. Alright. Okay, perfect. And all the lights are on. Yep. Cliche. Hello. Also, wouldn't my insanely loud footsteps wake my mother? Okay. So I already have two endings. One where I actually survived. Then one where I just completely died. You really want the phone? Again? What? Upstairs. Yeah, like, I didn't figure that out before. What is happening? I should leave the house and run. Maybe I can alert Mom. She is in her bedroom. Yes. The creature killed you. Ending 3 out of 3. Press space to return to menu. I win. That was really cool. Alright, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.